Hi boys and girls! This house is for sale here in Fort Smith, Arkansas for $24,000. And it's freaking huge! Look at this gigantic thing. Of course, windows are covered up. This house is going to need a lot of work, but we're going to do a walkthrough and see if we want to make an offer on this thing. Offers are due here in about half an hour, so by the time this is published, it'll probably be too late for you guys to make an offer. But let's take a look inside. Alright, here we go. I got a flashlight on my phone. All right.
We're back. Hello.
Hey, ghosts. Let's see what we got in here. So definitely some water coming from up there. That's not abnormal. I love these old Victorian details. Things like that. I expected this to be worse. So far, I'm not dissatisfied with what I'm seeing.
I'm just waiting until the second floor.
Oh, wow. Okay. This is kind of very slightly vaulted. I don't know why. This is very slightly vaulted. And then we have some artificial brick paneling. That's tacky. Oh, the kitchen's big. So I don't know. This is a little bit of an unusual layout. This room is huge. Ooh, look at the stairway. I love this. Just that little subtle curve like that. We're going to go upstairs in a minute. Things like this, no big deal. You're going to be taking all that out anyway if you buy this house. This neighborhood used to be pretty bad. It's not bad anymore, so that was probably some kind of anti-break-in measure. The floors are oak downstairs. There's a little bit of wave to them, but these could be refinished. I don't even think I need to update this bathroom. Ew. Yeah, no, I'd have to update this. This is disgusting. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Let's look over here.
Staircase.
What do we got up above this? Doesn't look like anything too interesting, just some electricity ran.
Oh.
It's not unusual to do a drop ceiling to help with the heating and cooling in one of these older homes. Oh, this has a servant stairway. Yeah. So there's a servant stairway and a regular stairway in an older home, so your servants didn't have to use the main stairway. I'm going to go up the main stairway first. Then we'll come back for the... Then we'll come back to the servant stairway. Let's see what's behind the stairs here. There should be another room over there, right?
You got a Harry Potter closet.
I feel like we're missing a whole room downstairs.
You walk past it.
That
Maybe.
could be like where that panel is. There could be a room.
There may be. Oh, no, that's an exterior wall. So.
Yeah, there's the window right above.
Yeah, I see the window here.
And go first.
All right, ghosties, here I come. You should be afraid.
I think it's a coup.
It's in the
Ah, it's 3 stories. Oh, this is going to be so cool.
Really
24,000. This is a great deal.
Straight ahead to the left.
And so this would be the servant stairway here. Okay. I like the design in here. Very interesting and bold choice.
Wow.
So the lap boards are out. And these drop ceilings would go away and we could bring the ceilings up to the full height.
This is bathroom.
Okay. This is a really big bedroom.
How much do you think it would take to fix a house like this, boys and girls? Let me know in the comments. I'm not live. Hi. Yeah, I'm doing a video. This room's big. We got another bathroom here and a clawfoot tub. I love clawfoot tubs. This window's completely knocked out. Well, almost completely. There's a little bit of glass there. Okay. Then we have a kind of another kitchen area. So they had duplexed this out at once, I guess, is what's going on. That's not abnormal.
Any critters in here?
I haven't heard any critters yet, but we're blundering around and everything. Yeah, there may have been a raccoon or something like that that scared you earlier. That's more likely than a ghost.
Oh, was this used as a tenement house?
Yeah, it may have been tenement housing. This kind of stuff. Let's see if it's horsehair or if it's asbestos. That is hair. So this is not asbestos. That's a good sign. Okay, so this goes up into the attic. And the attic is roughed in up here. Giant big windows. Oh, this house is really cool. Does it have a basement? Do you know?
It does.
It does. I got to go down in the basement next. Let's go see what's in the basement.
Houses, but I don't know.
I'm still trying to find the basement entrance. Let's look outside. I guess I can go to it from outside. All right, so we're outside. You see kind of some of the areas where we were a while ago. Let's look around here and see what we find. Boarded up windows. All this is to keep a vacant house like this from getting broken into and vandalized more than it already has been from just natural wear and tear. And this would have been a bank-owned property. Got a storm cellar in the back. I know a lot of people are afraid of thunderstorms in our area. So here's the stairway into the basement. It doesn't look like I'm going to be able to get in. Stone steps, though. Oh, maybe somebody's unscrewed that. Can I get the rest of the way open? Let's see if I can break into this. So it's been set up as a triplex. It's got 3 different electric meters and 3 different electrical services. I've got 18 minutes to decide if I want to make an offer. Let's go grab a screwdriver and see if I can get into that basement. I'm in my wife's car. Apparently I don't have the screwdriver that I need. It's in my truck. So I'm not going to be able to go into the basement. That makes me sad. So obviously this metal siding and stuff that's all hodgepodge together would have to go. We need to get the underside of the porch painted haint blue, because otherwise you're going to have boo hags all up in there.
I would want to replace the beadboard at some point.
Yeah, do actual beadboard like the house would have been original.
The way it is right now isn't bad for, when you're working on the inside.
Yeah, it's set up with 3 electric meters. So to not turn it into a triplex, you'd have to combine the electrical. Don't know. What do you think, boys and girls? Should we buy this?